students, welcome to our chemistry classmate. In today's lecture, we shall learn about a few more expected models based on molarity and normality. Based on this, already we did some questions, so continuation of that. So look at the first question. The normality of orthophosphoric acid having purity of 70% by weight. Specific gravity is 1.54 would be. So options given 11N, 22N, 33N and 44N. So in the last video lecture also I given based on this model, if a percentage is given, then you have to use the formula normality equal to 10 dx divided by its equivalent weight or gram equivalent weight. So 10 into density nothing but here specific gravity 1.54, x nothing but percentage of purity, how much it is, 70%, divided by gram equivalent weight. Orthophosphoric acid, H3PO4, its molecular weight is 98. It contains it's capable to produce 3 hydrogen ions. That means its basicity is 3, that is why divide with 3. So direct substitution. So if you simplify, you will get 33N. So option C is our correct answer. Is it clear? So direct substitution, but you have to remember the formula. Now look at the next question. The volume of water to be added to 400 ml of N by 8 HCl to make it exactly N by 12. So N by 8 concentration converting into N by 12 concentration. So volume changes. So what is the formula? N1 V1 equal to N2 V2. This is the formula. N1 V1 nothing but 1 by 8 into 400 equal to 1 by 12 into V2, because V2 we don't know. So if you simplify, V2 equal to what will get here, 12 into 400 by 8. So if you simplify, you will get here 600. Is it okay? V2 equal to 600. But is it correct answer? Definitely no. What is the reason? Because water, the volume of water to be added they asked. That means final volume equal to V2 minus V1. That means 600 minus, final we got 600. Initially how much it is? 400. So 600 minus 400 will get 200. So 200 ml is correct answer. Is it clear? Right. Look at the next question. 100 ml of 0.2N HCl solution is added to 100 ml of 0.2N AgNO3 solution. The molarity of nitrate ions in the resulting mixture is, see there, HCl and AgNO3 mixed. Both volumes same, both normality same. Molarity of nitrate ions only they asked. So nitrate ions, in nitrate ions, what is the normality and volume? So normality volume by V1 plus V2 can take. Only nitrate ion concentration. What is the reason? It is a resulting mixture. Resulting mixture we can consider the both the volumes. That is why N into V. What is it? N into V? 0.2 into 100 by 100 plus 100. Because in the total solution we are considered. That is why if you simplify, you will get 0.1N. So we will get 0.1N. Very simple and very important model, because here they specifically they asked about nitrate ions only. Is it clear? Resulting mixture only, but individual ions. Is it okay? Right. Look at the next question. So when 100 ml of 10M solution of H2SO4 and 100 ml of 1M solution of NaOH are mixed, the resulting solution will be, see there here 100 ml of 10M H2SO4 and one more 100 ml of 1M NaOH. See there, strongest acid, strongest base. Acid and base are mixed. So here I shall recollect one small concept. Suppose if two types of acids with different concentrations added. Okay, for example, acid A plus acid B. Suppose A1 and A2. So in this context, the resultant normality equal to, we can take that N1 V1 plus N2 V2 by V1 plus V2. This is the resultant normality. This is the formula to find the resultant normality if same type of acids or same type of bases. That means the solution of the same solute. That means if two acids or two bases are mixed, you can use this formula. For example, if acid and base are mixed, in that context you can use this formula. N resultant equal to VA minus VB by VA plus VB. Here nothing but volume of acid, normality of acid, volume of base, normality of base. When if VA greater than VB. This is the formula. Remember that. Similarly, N resultant equal to VB minus VA by VA plus VB. So in this context, VB greater than VA. Remember that. If volume into normality of base is more than the acid, then you can use this formula. Now, as per this concept, which is the suitable formula here? Acid and base mixed. So definitely in these two, any one formula is correct. Now we shall see. First identify 100 into 10. You'll get 1000. 100 into 1, you'll get 100. So which is dominating here? Acid is dominating than that of base. So definitely the solution will get acidic. Is it clear? Suppose specifically if they are asked the answer. So what we should do? Resultant equal to V1 VA or VA minus VB or VB. You can take VA plus VB. What will get here? 100 into 10 minus 100 into 1 divided by 100 plus 100. So if you simplify, you will get 4.5. 4.5. Okay. So by this concept, so what I explained to you, by this concept you can guess the resultant normality or molarity of acid mixed, base mixed and acid base mixed. The same concept is linked to the pH also. Sometimes the same question they asked about what is the pH. From here you can continue one more step. pH equal to minus log H plus. Yes, is it clear? And here if you know the normality, you can get the molarity. If you know the molarity, you can get the normality. By which formula? N equal to n factor into. I already told you last time. N equal to n factor into m. Here n nothing but number of H plus ions or OH minus ions or number of electrons involved in the reaction. Is it clear? So this is a very important model. Many times they have been asked questions based on this. Now look at the next question. So look at the next question. This is also one of the important model. What is the OH minus ion in the final solution prepared by mixing 20 ml of 0.05 m HCl with 30 ml of 0.1 m BaOH taken twice? So here also see there, acid mixed with base. Acid mixed with base. But here which is dominating? See there. First identify that VA Na equal to, what will get here? 20 into 0.05 equal to 1. VB equal to, how much will get? 0.2 into 30. What will get here? 6. Is it okay? Base, this is acid, this is base. Now which is dominating here? Base is dominating. Then resultant equal to VB minus VA by VA plus VB. That is why 6 minus 1 by 50. What will get here? 10 power minus 1. That means 0.1. Is it clear? So sometimes they will ask the value, sometimes they will ask about whether it is acidic or basic or neutral. So this is very important model. I hope you understood. Now look at the next question. Very simple and important model. The molarity of 98% H2SO4, density equal to 1.8 gram per milliliter by weight is. So molarity they asked. So here also same formula what we used in the first case. So m equal to 10 dx by m, molecular weight. If it is equivalent weight, gram equivalent weight you can take. So 10 into density nothing but 1.8. So percentage how much given? 98% divided by what is the molecular weight of the sulfuric acid? 98. So 98 cancelled. So 10 into 1.8 will get 18 m. Is it okay? Right. Look at the next question. In this question, see there, 25.3 grams of Na2CO3 is dissolved in enough water. So just imagine some water is there in this Na2CO3 dissolved. So Na2CO3 dissolved, what will get? Na plus CO3 minus 2 immediately it gives. So to make 250 ml of solution, so this is 250 ml of solution. If Na2CO3 dissolved completely, then the molar concentration of Na plus ions and CO3 minus ions respectively. So Na plus ions, CO3 minus 2 ions concentration they asked. Before that, what is we required? First, we required the concentration of Na2CO3. That means molarity of the Na2CO3 equal to weight of Na2CO3. How much given? 25.3. By gram molecular weight of Na2CO3. How much it is? 106 into 1000 by V in milliliters. So this is the basic formula, you know. Weight of the substance by gram molecular weight of the substance into 1000 by V in milliliters. So if you simplify here, you will get 0.9547. So remember that. So if you simplify, this is the concentration of this Na2CO3 solution. Now in this solution, how many sodium ions are there? 2 sodium ions. Therefore, sodium plus concentration is equal to 2 into 0.9547. You will get 1.91. How many carbonate ions are there? 1 carbonate ion. That is why CO3 minus 2 concentration equal to 1 into 0.9547. That will get here 0.955. Then which is the correct answer as per the given then? So this one, see there, D. Is it clear? Is it clear or not? So look at the procedure. So very simple and very important model, because they are asked about individual ions concentration. Is it clear? Right. Look at the next question. Look at the next question. The density of 3M solution of NaCl is 1.25 grams per milliliter. The molality of the solution is, so here molality versus density. So here concept, I hope you understood. Molality, the density of 3M. So molarity given, density given, they are asking about the molality. So for this you have to remember this formula. Molality equal to 1000 into M by 1000 into D minus M into gram molecular weight of solute. Remember this formula. So directly you get the relation between molarity. So for this proof is there, right now proof not required. Molarity versus molarity versus molality. Molality equal to 1000 into M. So if you remember the formula, whenever they are giving the question based on the molarity and molality, directly you can use it. So M equal to 1000 into molarity, how much given? 3 by 1000 into density, how much given? 1.25 minus 3 into gram molecular weight of the solute. What is the solute here? Sodium chloride. So 56.5. Is it okay? So if you simplify, finally you get a 2.77. That means, see there, option A. See the direct substitution. Molarity versus molality. You have to remember the formula. In the regular classes, you may get the proof also. Now, look at the next question. To neutralize 20 ml of 0.1 m aqueous solution of H3PO3, the volume of 0.1 m aqueous solution of KOH solution required is. So, neutralization occurs in between H3PO3, phosphorus acid and potassium hydroxide. So this kind of questions also very important. This kind of questions, first you have to consider the reaction. So here what is the reaction? Do you know? H3PO3 plus KOH, it gives K2HPO3 plus H2O. So remember that, acid, base, salt and water, because here two replaceable hydrogens. Because of that reason K2HPO3. If you balance it, you'll get a 2 here and you'll get a 2 here. Okay, for this kind of neutralization reactions, you have to remember this formula. Already we used this formula in the gaseous state also. What is that? M1V1 by N1 equal to M2V2 by N2. Otherwise acid, this is related to base. MaVa, you can take like this also. MaVa by Na equal to MbVb by Nb. Molarity of the acid, volume of the acid, number of moles of the acid. Mb nothing but molarity of the base, volume of the base, number of moles of the base. So molarity of the acid, how much given? 0.1 into 20 by, because volume 20 milliliters by 1, because in the reaction 1 mole equal to 0.1 into Vb, we don't know volume of base, by 2 because its concentration, its number of moles 2 as per the equation. See the 2 KOH. Is it okay? So if you simplify 4 equal to 0.1 into Vb, then Vb equal to 40 ml. See there. Is it clear? So this is very important model. Many times they have been asked the question based on this also. So look at the final question in this session. Which one of these solutions has the highest normality? So highest normality they asked. So different values given. So for this kind of questions you have to check the 4 options. Already you know some questions you have to start procedure from the given question. Sometimes we have to start the procedure from the options. So from the options you start this 8 grams of KOH. 8 grams of KOH nothing but identify the molarity. So molarity equal to weight by gram molecular weight. KOH gram molecular weight how much? 56 into 1000 by 100. So if you simply will get to 1.42. So this is already 0.5 m only given. This is m. 6 grams of NaOH. That means m equal to 6 grams by gram molecular weight by gram molecular weight into 1000 by 100. So if you simplify, you'll get to 1.5 m. So 1n H3PO4. 1n H3PO4 nothing but you know n equal to n into m. So 1 equal to n into means n nothing but here how many hydrogen ions? 3 into m. That is why m equal to 1 by 3. That means 0.33 m. See that all are converting into molarity, or you can converting into normality also, no problem here because it is one normal. This is also one normal. Among all, if you observe that which value is more, which concentration is more, 1.5. That means our option is C. Is it clear? So in this many questions are mixed as a options. So these are the few models based on the molarity and normality. In last lecture also I discussed a few models. So I hope you understood whatever the question based on the molarity and normality, you may get the perfection. So keep continue following my channel. So please share it and subscribe it. If any valuable suggestions, comment there itself. So yours chemistry classmate. Thank you.